Hi, in front of me is Honor 10X Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this Honor. First of all, find calendar and tap on it. Then pick a date by tapping on the chosen one and click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Over here you can customize your event however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, choose starting hour, ending when, or turn off this feature by tapping on the switcher next to all day. You can select location, set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before, add description and some other things. When you're done, remember to click at the top right corner over here, and now as you can see my event was successfully added. If you wish to delete it though, you can always hold it, click on delete icon at the bottom right corner and choose delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!